Alright, what's good, Ghost Gang? Back with another video. I'm trying to keep you guys entertained and give you some important information that you might not know. You might not navigate around your PS5 or your PS4 as much. So I'm here to give you this video. These are all the games that are upgraded for PS5. These games launched on PS4. Now they're enhanced on PS5. So you have Cyberpunk, you have Ghost of Tsushima, Crash Bandicoot, Spider-Man, Control, Fortnite, No Man's Sky, Rainbow Six Siege, FIFA 21, NBA 2K21, you have Destiny 2, you have Mortal Kombat 11, Madden 21, you have, what is that, Like a Dragon, Yakuza, Narnia, Borderlands, you have Warframe, Tony Hawk Pro Skater 1 and 2, Final Fantasy, Genshin, there's a shark game, Ride 4, Deadlight, Avengers, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Doom Eternal, Elder Scrolls, Jedi, Judgment, Final Fantasy. All of these games that you're seeing are upgradable for PS5. If you didn't know, now you know. You guys help me out by making sure you leave me a nice little sub, like, and a comment for this video that I'm sharing with you guys. This your boy Ghost Out of 2 T's, and I'm out.